Get a microwave safe bowl and put in 1/3 of a cup of gum mix. Now I will have a link in the description where you can buy this. On top of it, add glucose syrup, which I think is also known as corn syrup, and you want to put in about 3 tablespoons, which will be about 1, 2, 3. Then add 1 teaspoon of glycerine, or glycerol as it's also known, and it sort of looks like this. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid. Add about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of flavouring. I'm going to be using strawberry essence for this. So now just place this in a microwave for 60 seconds and then give it a stir, and repeat that after that for 30 seconds and give it a stir until it's done. Just give all this a stir. That's what we want. Just give it a stir and we'll be done. Just add some food colouring to it now. Because I've chosen strawberry flavour, I want it to have a strawberry colour. Now what you want is 3/4 of a cup roughly of powdered sugar, icing sugar, confectionery sugar, and put about half of it, so just spread it out a little bit and make a well in the middle. Pour the mixture straight into the middle. So once this is sat here for 3 to 5 minutes, get some of the sugar on your fingers, sprinkle it over the top and start to mix it in. As I said, make sure it's not hot anymore, as you will burn yourself badly. Basically what we're going to do is knead it, just as the same way you would knead bread or knead dough. So what you do is you keep kneading this. This could take 10 or 15 minutes, depends on how bubbly you want it. So you keep kneading it like this over and over. And once it starts to get a little sticky, you add more of the powdered sugar. And then you start adding the powdered sugar that you've still got left over. So kneading is just basically bringing it forward and back on itself like this, and then bringing it that way over the top, forward, back, forward, back. Alright, the kneading part's pretty much done. Looks like a giant tongue, so that's pretty good. Get a new surface to put this on. Now you can roll this with a rolling pin, or you can just flatten it the way I am. I find this is just as effective. Now all you've got to do is cut it up into whatever size pieces you want. You can cut into long strips, cut it this way. So as you can see, it's got the consistency of bubblegum. I can pull it apart and I can stretch it, and so looking yummy. There you go, you can cut them up into strips, little things like that. That looks pretty cool, and it tastes great. If you want more flavouring, just add more of the flavouring you put in, the essence, the extract, whatever.